Hey everyone, welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update. I'm Zaki, and today we're diving deep into the latest XRP price analysis. With active addresses hitting a record high of 1.15 million and transaction volumes reaching astronomical levels, there's a lot to unpack. In this video, we're going to explore if this surge in network activity is setting the stage for Ripple's rebound or if there's more to the story. But before we jump in, a quick reminder. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. I'm not giving financial advice, so always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the record-breaking news that has everyone buzzing in the crypto space. XRP's weekly active addresses have surged to an unprecedented 1.15 million. For those new to the term, active addresses refer to unique wallets that are involved in sending or receiving XRP over a specific period. This is a key metric because it reflects real usage of the network beyond just speculative trading. So, what does it mean when we see such a spike? Simply put, increased active addresses often indicate growing interest and real engagement in the Ripple ecosystem. More traders and users interacting with XRP suggest that even if the price isn't skyrocketing right now, the underlying fundamentals might be gaining traction. This level of network activity is not something we can ignore, especially in a market where utility and adoption matter. As we dive deeper, I'll explain how this record high could set the stage for a rebound in XRP's price and what to keep an eye on in the coming days. Stay tuned. Now, aside from the sheer number of active addresses, there's another piece of data that's got analysts talking: transaction activity. According to some solid data from Sentiment, not only are more wallets active, but the number of transactions on the XRP network has exploded. One notable market analyst, Scott Melker, pointed out that XRP transactions soared to an incredible $5 billion in just 24 hours. That's a huge uptick, and what's even more impressive is that wallet activity increased by more than 600% over the same period. Let's break this down a bit. A surge in transaction activity can be a sign of renewed interest from institutional players, retail investors, or even increased use of XRP for real-world applications. It could mean that traders see value in accumulating XRP during the dip, or that there's more utility being derived from the network, both of which are positive signals. However, while this spike is encouraging, it's important to note that such explosive activity needs to be sustained to translate into a long-term price recovery. I'll be keeping a close watch on how these transaction metrics develop. If we see consistent growth over time, it could very well pave the way for a bullish reversal in XRP's price trend. While the network activity is a promising sign, there's another side to the story that we need to address: short-selling pressure. Data from CoinGlass reveals that short positions on XRP have increased significantly. This comes on the heels of a spike in negative funding rates, meaning that traders betting on a price decline are really stepping up their game. Now, let's demystify what this means. Funding rates are essentially fees paid between long and short positions on perpetual swap contracts. When these rates turn negative for a prolonged period, it indicates that shorts are dominating the market. The real kicker here is that if XRP were to stage a sudden recovery, those short sellers might be forced to cover their positions, what we call a short squeeze. A short squeeze can accelerate upward price movement rapidly, as traders rush to buy back the asset to limit their losses. This scenario has been seen before in other assets, and if XRP manages to break through some key resistance levels, we could witness a similar dynamic. The question remains: is this negative sentiment already baked into the price, or will we see a dramatic turnaround? It's a high-stakes game, and I'm excited to see how this plays out. Let's shift gears and talk about what the charts are saying. Right now, XRP is trading around $2.19 after a nearly 6% drop in the last 24 hours. One key area to watch is the multi-month support at $2.14. Historically, Ripple has bounced off this level, but if sell-side pressure continues, a break below this support could spell trouble. On the technical front, we have mixed signals. The MACD, a widely used momentum indicator, has recently crossed below its signal line, which many interpret as a bearish signal. On the flip side, the stochastic RSI indicates that XRP might be oversold. Oversold conditions can sometimes lead to a rebound as sellers exhaust their momentum and buyers step in to take advantage of lower prices. Furthermore, an important resistance level is at $2.60. For XRP to truly turn the corner and push higher, it needs to break decisively above this level. A successful breakout could potentially set the stage for a rally pushing the price beyond the $3 mark. What we're essentially looking at here is a classic tug-of-war between technical resistance and the potential for a reversal once oversold conditions are met. I like to think of this moment as a crossroads for XRP. The network fundamentals and transaction surge are giving a bullish narrative, yet technical signals remind us to stay cautious. As always, technical analysis is not foolproof, but it gives us a clearer picture of what traders might be expecting in the short term. So what does all this mean for XRP's potential rebound? On one hand, we have a record high in active addresses and a surge in transaction activity that signals growing network usage and market interest. These fundamentals suggest that XRP is garnering attention and could be laying the groundwork for a price recovery. On the other hand, the increased short selling and technical indicators such as the MACD crossing below the signal line serve as warnings that not all is rosy in the technical arena. The key to unlocking XRP's potential rebound might lie in the sustainability of this network activity. If the influx of new active addresses and the surge in transactions continue steadily, it could convince more traders to accumulate XRP during this dip. This accumulation might then lead to a tightening of supply and potentially spark a short squeeze if the negative funding rates persist. Additionally, traders will be watching whether XRP can maintain its support at $2.14. A break below this level could lead to further declines, while a successful defense might reinforce bullish sentiment. And let's not forget about that critical resistance at $2.60. If XRP manages to break above it decisively, we could see a rally with the possibility of testing the $3 level. It's a fascinating moment for Ripple and its community. The crypto market is often driven by a combination of on-chain metrics and technical signals, and XRP seems to be at a pivotal juncture right now. Will this surge in activity translate into a sustained upward momentum, or are the current technical pressures too strong to overcome? Only time will tell. For now, keep an eye on the volume, monitor the price action, and remember that every trader's risk appetite is different. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be taken as financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before making any decisions in the crypto market. That wraps up our deep dive into XRP's latest surge in network activity and what it could mean for Ripple's future. I hope this breakdown helped clarify some of the key factors at play and gave you a clearer picture of the current market dynamics. If you enjoyed this video and found the insights valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update for more in-depth crypto analysis, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think? Is a rebound on the horizon for XRP, or should we brace for further drops? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.